Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. I want to show you some quick DIY beauty maintenance things that I do at home that save me a ton of time during the week. This is the finished product: my hair, my nails, my lashes, my brows. I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Stay tuned. Thanks so much for joining me. Hey guys, so this weekend while my kids are napping, I am going to be doing some DIY beauty. As you can see here, my eyebrows need some work. My lashes are completely gone. My hair needs to be redone. Nails need to be redone. I'm gonna be doing all of this at home and showing you guys my favorite DIY stuff, and hopefully I can get it all done by the weekend. So let's see. First thing that I am going to be doing is laminating my brows and tinting my brows. So let's get started with that. So I'm using this brow kit by this company I found on Amazon called Mia. I'll link what I'm using below, or you can just search it. And it comes with all the different steps and then as well as the instructions. So I'm gonna do that first, and then I'll tint, and then I'll probably move on to my eyelashes. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is clean my brows, get off any like sunscreen that I have on. And they also have this cleanser that I'm gonna put on after. Then you apply this thin layer of adhesive, and you gotta comb through it after that. Now we're going to apply this lifting lotion on the brows using a micro brush. Cover the area with plastic wrap, which I gotta go downstairs and get, and leave it on for 8 to 12 minutes. So let's do that. And I should say the reason that I'm doing all of this is just to make it easier to get ready every day. These treatments take some time, but they save so much time during the week. So that's why I do all this kind of stuff. Your lashes are obviously save so much time not having to do your eyebrows each day. This smells like perm. If you ever used to get a perm when you were little. I wonder if it's the same thing. Maybe it is. Now you're supposed to put a thin layer, but I'm just heavy-handed in everything I do because I just like to make sure it works. Okay, let me go get some plastic wrap. Okay, I'm gonna put this on, and then I'm gonna set a timer for 12 minutes. These lashes also from Amazon are Balian. They have really good reviews. I like them not too long, kind of naturally looking. And then the glue that I'm using, I was searching online for stronghold long-lasting glue, and this is the one that I found. Amita, I guess that's what that is. So that's what I'll be using. It's in the color black because that's what I like. The clear ones always burn my eyes. So, and then this tweezer that I'm using, this eyelash tweezer, is from a company called Lilac, which is specializes in lash extensions, but I wanted to go a cheaper route, so I didn't get their extensions, but I have this tweezer. Is really good for putting them on. So again, I'm just going to clean. I probably won't get these done before I need to start back my eyebrows, but I can get started. So I'm just gonna clean my lashes on the top and bottom, and then I'll wipe that alcohol off so it doesn't burn my eye. Oh, that's the first one. I like that they're not super long. I think this is gonna go good. These also have a very thin transparent band, so they blend in really good with your natural lashes without like it being too noticeable, or being noticeable at all, really. And I also don't like having to go sit 2 hours to get my lashes done. Like, I really don't want to make time for that in my life. I could be doing so much more things that I value than getting my lashes done. That 2 hours in my life is especially being a working mom. Okay, so my timer for my brows just went off. I'm gonna go back over here and get to going with those. Okay, so I actually took off the corner. I'm gonna put in these like a little bit longer ones in the corner to give me that cat eye effect. Also because that one was bothering me in the corner of my eye, so hopefully that works out better. Okay guys, I was able to do one lash. Let me flip this around so you can see. Okay guys, I was able to do one eye. You can see it looks really natural from all sides. And now it's time to take this off. Just so I don't take too much of you guys' time, I'm gonna come back when I have both eyes done and the brows done, because there's not too much more to know about this. I'm gonna take this off and basically cleanse or something else, and then I'm going to tint my brows. So I'll come back when this lash is done and the eyebrows are done. Okay, I have both eyes done here. This one I may add a little like individuals on the side there just to add a little bit more, but I like that they look natural. I'll see if I'll add any more. Now I'm gonna Now I'm gonna tint my eyebrows now that they're laminated, just to darken them up a little bit. You can see here I don't have hair that grows because I had stitches there from falling off the monkey bars when I was little, so my hair doesn't grow there. So the tint also helps cover that a little bit. So I'm gonna do that now. I use this Just for Men beard coverage. Just leave it on for like a minute and it works really well. So basically you just mix 1 part of the developer and 1 part, equal parts of the dye to activate it. Mix it. Just have this little angled brush and we go in there. Now you may have some on your skin for like a day or two, but in general I don't put like Vaseline or anything. You can see the dye gets darker the longer it sits to mix together. So it starts off this brown, then it's gonna turn to black. So I'll let this stay on for like 1 minute literally, because your brows are more sensitive after the whole lamination thing. So I don't want them to be like too dark. And then I'll wipe it off and then I'm gonna just shape them. Now I'm just taking a tiny bit of micellar water and removing it. I think it's been on long enough. Yeah, they're much darker. And then I just take the dry part and get it all off. See, darker, more pronounced. Now I'm just gonna shape them. Now I just have to shape these. So basically what I'm going to do is just kind of brush them how I want them to be, and then tweeze anything that falls outside of those lines. So usually do this straight and then this to like a slant. So this is just easy now in the morning and just kind of wake up and brush. I'm just gonna tweeze under here, but I like them kind of thick. And yeah, that's pretty much it. They're not going to be as dark as this like in a day or two, but I kind of like them dark. Have to do less. Some days you can just throw on some like lip gloss and your lashes and your brows are done if your hair is done and you look fine. Yeah, I think I'm going to add more lashes on this side, just like some individuals in there. I may go up a size in length. Like I like how natural they look with this size, but they're like the same length as my natural lashes. And I might just want a little bit longer ones for the outer edge, but you know, it's doing the job. Let me just clean up around here. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. Brows done, lashes done. This here is gonna get a little bit lighter, the part that's on my skin, but overall I'm happy with the look. Got me a little cat eye natural look, and I'm gonna probably soak off these nails today because I did a fill the last time I did it, so I think I'm just gonna start over. And my hair is clean, so all I have to do is the U-part unit that I'm gonna do. I'll probably wash that tonight, but I'll pick up with you guys tomorrow and do my nails and my hair. And I also wanted to clean my makeup brushes this weekend, so I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so I just installed this U-part unit. I'm going to flat iron and add some waves to my leave out, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I actually ended up wand curling all of my hair, so these curls are gonna fall out throughout the week, but I thought I would do them pretty tight today. That way they can last the whole week and I don't have to do my hair. I'm just gonna add some hairspray. Then I'm gonna move on to my nails. Sorry, I'm on my phone, so I'm looking over there, but then I'm gonna move on to my nails. Let me just put some hairspray in this and then I will move on. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm gonna do are my nails. Okay guys, here is the final look of my nails, just like a natural nude color. I was gonna do another coat, but my kids are waking up from nap, so this is what it's gonna be. I did 2 coats and a top coat. I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow when I'm getting ready how much time all of this actually saved me when I'm getting ready, so I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, it's Monday morning, so I'm gonna get ready. I'm working from home today, so I am not gonna do a whole lot. I think I'm just gonna do a pretty much simple makeup routine. You can see my eyebrows are already done. I haven't done anything to them. You're a little far to see my lashes. I think I'm just gonna curl them, curl my lashes. Hair's already done, and I'm just gonna comb out my curls. So let's see how long this takes.
Smooth with a beat. 30 hertz straight up. Roll smooth with a beat. 30 hertz straight up.
So here's the final look of my super fast makeup routine that I'm going to be using this week now that I have my lashes, my nails done, my hair's already done. I hope this helped you. These are the DIY beauty maintenance things that I kind of live by and that help me out during the week. I hope it saves you some time as well. And I'm going to go get my day started. Thanks so much for watching. Namaste.